Hello everyone, today I'm going to be explaining how to use the Unity Asset Store and how to import assets to your Unity project. So you have to go first to the Unity Asset Store page, and important, you have to have an account. So if you don't have one, please create one. Now you can have different types of filters. For example, if you're looking for 3D objects, you can just click there, and there are other filters here on the right. You can filter by pricing. So let's put free assets. And we will look, for example, for trees. For example, you can like this low poly tree pack. So we're going to look at it. We can see the photos, their videos, photos, whatever you like. You can have info of it, the overview, the releases, the reviews, lots of information in this page. Now, you can save asset that you want to use for later. So for example, you can click the heart and add it. You can add it to a list or create a new list. We can say trees, for example, and you can change the visibility, and we can save it in the trees list. Perfect. Now to use it in your Unity project, what you have to do is click on add to my assets. You just click accept and you will have a notification that says that it has been added to your assets. So now what you do, you go to your Unity project, go to Window, Package Manager. Here in Packages, you go to My Assets and search for trees. You look at the name you just added. It's called Low Poly Tree Pack. So let's just actually copy that and paste it here. Here we found it. Now you just click download and import. Great. So here you will have everything that will be importing. You can unselect stuff if you don't want something specific, but you just import everything normally. Great. So it can happen sometimes that your asset won't appear here. Just click here to update it and it will refresh everything and you will have your package where it is. Great. Now we close this window and you will find here broken vector and you will find a low poly and you can have your models, and now you just can add them to your scene and everything will be great.